Hello everyone and welcome back to Kanen Coffee. Here we have this beautiful Jura Impresa C60 espresso machine. Now we already uploaded the video on our channel. It's 4470, the number of this machine. So you can see what we did on the previous video. For now, we're just going to be testing the coffee function on this machine. We had to reset the quantity of the coffee as it was just on 1 ounce. And in order for you to do that, you just have to hold this P. You have to hold on buttons, then you select the one that you want, and you select volume, and then you can put it on whatever ounces you want, and then press OK. That's all you gotta do. Now let me exit through the menu. Perfect. And now I can do our coffee. We do not have a container that is long enough, but this is 8 ounces, and the machine now is set up for 8 ounces as well. So we're gonna be brewing coffee and then pour it down into that cup. Previously, that button was set up for 0.1 ounces, so it was basically just giving you a tiny little bit of liquid, and it will just completely stop pouring at all. So for some reason it got readjusted. We readjusted, calibrated again, and as you can see, it's just continuously dispensing liquid until it reaches the 8 ounces mark. Like that. Now we can pour that right here. And as you can see, 8 ounces, just like the previous one, and just like the one that we marked. So there you have it, Jura Impresa C60 dispensing the correct volume, tuned up and ready to brew. So thank you so much for preparing with Kanen Coffee. Please subscribe to our channel for more content every day, and thanks for watching.